Today we're going to be taking a look at this rechargeable motion sensor light with remote from Yurnero. So this does automatically activate in the dark time as a sensor light, and it will stay on for 20 seconds before it turns off, or you can manually turn it on with the remote. And during the day it will actually have a daylight off feature, so it will pick up that daylight outside and it won't turn on unless of course you use that remote. So it does have 4 different color temperatures from 3000 all the way up to 6000. So it can be used as an ambient light. It can also be used as a night light if that's what you want to use it for. I'm going to do a quick box opening. I'm actually going to install this into my closet where we want to set this up and use this. And yeah, just show you a couple of features using that remote and the sensor. Yeah, let's get into it. So this is a pretty straightforward box opening. It does have everything you need for installation. It has the remote and it has the actual sensor light itself and the mounting bracket that you'll need to mount it. So this light is rechargeable. It actually has a large rechargeable battery, a 7000 mAh built in. So no extra batteries are needed and it's just Type-C charging. It does last up to 60 days in sensor mode and 8 hours in constant mode. As you can see, it comes with the mounting bracket. So installation is super straightforward. You basically gonna want to work out where you want to install it. What I'm doing is finding the center point, get the mounting bracket, mark where you want to put your screws. I suggest using a pre-drill. If you're putting into brick or some type of masonry, you will need your own drill bit for that. So I just pre-drilled these and put the screws in, lined it all up, and then I can just attach the light to that. It just twists on. So that means when you do want to recharge it, you just twist it off, plug it in, recharge it, and you can put it back in. With the remote, you do have different brightnesses, and the brightnesses does allow for 500 lumen, and you can adjust from 20% to 100%. That's to help reduce night glare. And you can obviously change between the 4 different color temperatures. Now put it into sensor mode and you can see that it does turn off by itself. And then when I walk into frame, you see it does actually turn back on. So that's a look at the wireless sensor ceiling light. It's super easy for installation. You don't need any wires, nothing like that. This has actually been an improvement for our closet. We did have some lights in there, but this is actually much brighter than those would ever reach. They were also a sensor light, but they weren't as bright as this, so no matter what, it just wasn't as bright as we needed in our closet. These are super versatile. They can be used inside, outside. They're great for closets, bathrooms, storage, garage, hallways, even staircases. Pretty much wherever you need light, this is perfect. It can be mounted to any type of surface. You can use the mounting bracket with screws. You can attach it to timber walls, masonry walls. It's not that heavy, so you could use the M3 Velcro strips if you were in a rental property and you need some extra light. This would be perfect for that. We do have a discount for you today. It's 29% off the purchase of 1, 31% off the purchase of 2, and we're going to even get you 39% off the purchase of 3. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe if you would like to see more great reviews like this one. See you in the next one.